are 5 home buying myths that I want you to know the truth about. Number 1, that you need to put 20% down to purchase a home. That is definitely not the case. I put 10% down on my home. I have a client who's in the Navy who is putting 0% down with a VA loan. I have another client who's purchasing a duplex with 15% down. He will be living in one of the units, renting out the other one. So as you can see, there are many different options for down payment amount. You do not need to put 20% down to purchase a home. Number 2, that you need to be debt-free before you purchase a home. This is not the case either. Many of us have car payments, student loans, credit cards, and though we will take all of that into account in your debt to income ratio, you do not need to be debt-free to qualify for a home. If there are any issues with debt to income ratio, we can look at paying off some of those debts to qualify. Number 3, all lenders are the same. Though I may be partial to this, that is definitely not the case. You are going to want to go online, Google, Yelp, Zillow, make sure that the loan officer that you're working with has a great reputation, knows what they're doing. Maybe you were referred by a friend or family who had a great experience with them. There are many lenders out there that may not know what they're doing, but besides that, we all have different rates, programs, experiences, so definitely work with someone you're comfortable with, but no, all lenders are not the same. Number 4, that you should shop for a home without getting a pre-approval. This is a huge no. You don't want to fall in love with a home only to find out that you don't qualify for it. So make sure you get a pre-approval with a reputable lender before you shop for a home. You want to know what purchase price range you're looking in. You want to see if you're comfortable with the monthly payment. So definitely, like I said, get a pre-approval letter before shopping for a home, which leads me to my 5th myth, that a pre-approval and a pre-qualification are the same. This is not true either. A pre-approval on my team is I will review the documentation that you provide, income, assets, credit, and make sure you qualify before I give you a pre-approval to shop for a home. There are many lenders who just take your word for it, online application, don't review any documentation, and that is going to be a pre-qualification letter. On my end, I go a step further and get an actual underwritten pre-approval. This means an underwriter, besides myself, because I'm a loan officer, looks at your file and determines what the conditions of the loan are, if there's going to be any issues with debt to income, down payment, etc. So it's an extra set of eyes to make you feel comfortable knowing that you qualify for the home that you're shopping for.